In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Docusign templates that overlay on Word documents 2026. 5 minutes. We'll start right inside your Docusign account. From the main dashboard, head to the templates area. This is where you'll build reusable overlays that sit on top of your Word documents so you can place fields once and use them again and again. Click Create Template to begin and give your template a clear, descriptive name. A good name makes it easy to find later, especially if your team relies on multiple versions. You can also add a description to explain when and how this template should be used. Next, upload your document. You can pull it from your computer or a connected cloud drive. Word files work great here, but make sure the content and layout are final before you tag fields. Any layout change later means you'll need to adjust the tags. If you're combining multiple documents into one signing packet, upload them all now so they're included in the same template. For recipients, don't enter specific people. Use role names instead, such as client, internal approver, or witness. Roles are the key to reusability. You design the template once, then assign real names and emails only when you use it, keeping the structure intact across transactions. Click Next to enter the tagging screen. Choose a role from the recipient selector, then drag fields like signature, date signed, name, and text onto the exact locations where signers need to act. Zoom in for pixel level accuracy, and align fields with your Word content so the overlay looks native. Mark important fields as required, and add any necessary validation for items like phone numbers or amounts. If you have multiple roles, switch roles and place the corresponding fields for each person. Take a moment to scan through all pages so nothing is missed. Before saving, customize the email subject and message so recipients know what they're signing, and set reminders or expirations to keep the process on track. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Back in the Templates tab, find your new template and click Use. Now assign real people to the placeholder roles by entering names and emails, and confirm the signing order if needed. Review the pre-placed fields one more time, make any small adjustments for this specific deal, then you're ready to send. With that, you've created a Docusign template that cleanly overlays your Word document, accelerates turnaround, and keeps your process consistent every time.